Hi guys, Noah here. Welcome back to my channel. Last month I visited an event called the Gadget show in my hometown. As the name suggests, a lot of the newest cool gadgets were involved, such as educational robots, e-bikes, electric cars, drones, and gaming consoles. So I was playing Mario Kart. Companies Sync and Mepa Small organized the event. Let's see which gadgets I like the most. I like e-scooters more. It can recognize your face, age, and body temperature. I'm definitely 23 years old. This smart lighting by Philips that can change the lights because my favorite color was green. Here is my friend. Here is white tiny drone. I had a chance to try out lots of educational robots. Here's like a robot spider. Tesla Model 3 long range from 0 to 100 kilometers an hour in 4.2 seconds. I drove in my father's one. Yeah, I kind of hit my head off the camera. This is me on a VR headset. Now there was like a journey on it, but instead of me going on the journey, I kind of just played games. Rolla is an app for indoor cycling and jogging. And yeah, I did a bit of Rolla. There's football. That's my cousin. Keep calm and eat pancakes. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe for more similar videos.